Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? It's O'Brien Myers with another video. Oh my god. Did you see that? Good lord. Oh. Good freaking lord. Good freaking lord. Yes. Yes, Zano5, I am entertaining the fans. Yes, Zano5, I am entertaining my fans. And I challenge you to another challenge.
I just showed them the big boy.
Alright, Keegan, pretend to be a ghost. Say, Card, I really want a bag. Alright, this is very weird here. My house may be haunted.
Hey, come on,
Oh.
brother.
Huh. Very funny, Keegan. Very funny, Zano5. Where are you?
I'm right over here.
Nice try, Zano5. I thought it might be you.
It was coming from over there.
Oh, really? Who's over here? Casper?
The good shit.
The ghost what?
The good shit.
Well, Michael Myers brought the ghost train to my house yesterday. What'd he do? Kill the engineer? And then crash the entire train? Killing everybody else aboard? Yes, I can see him doing that. Well, this is O'Brien Myers channel signing off.